solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go.